How to change oil in a Mini's B38 engine. Step-by-step instructions. Start by jacking up the car. Secure the car with jack stands. Locate the two service panels and open them. Here you will find the oil filter housing and drain plug. Remove the drain plug. Make sure you catch the oil in a catch pan. Lower the vehicle and let the oil drain out completely. After letting all oil drain out, jack up the car and secure with jack stands. Grab a new drain plug and copper O-ring. Screw the new drain plug in place. Tighten the drain plug. Next up is the oil filter. Remove the drain plug from the oil filter housing. Catch the oil that is left inside of the oil filter. Remove the oil filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Next, remove the old O-ring gasket. Install a new O-ring gasket. Install the new oil filter. Reinstall the oil filter with housing. Install a new oil filter drain plug. Close the service panels. Open the hood. Remove the oil filler cap. Fill the engine with engine oil. Reinstall the oil filler cap. Check the oil level after driving the car. And you're done. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.